Good evening, everyone. I'm Mr. Barone, your principal here at Patuxent High, and I'm excited that you're here, because that means you care as much about your students becoming champions as we do. Because that's what we do here at Patuxent High. We train champions in athletics, academics, and the arts. Everything that we do here, we strive to be the best. That means that your student needs to get involved in order to do so. So if they haven't already, please reach out to them and try and find a way that they can get involved with their clubs, whether it's in our AP classrooms or in our athletics. Also, we have great performing arts and fine arts that they can also participate in. Biggest thing is that they need to become a part of the Patuxent community. So when you're in the halls tonight, come and introduce yourself. It's great that you're here, and have a great evening, everyone.
Good evening. My name is Ann Rickwood, and I am proud to be one of your assistant principals. This is my 30th year in education and my 16th year proudly training champions here at PAX. My primary responsibilities are IEP chair, I am the College Board coordinator, and I am the PBIS team lead. Few important reminders. AP exams are free for students up to 4 AP tests. It is our hope that students who will take the AP test for the AP course that they are enrolled in. The PSAT is given free to 10th graders this year. And if you have a student in 9th, 11th, or 12th grader and you would like to take the PSAT, tonight is the last night that we are able to accept registrations for that. And if your student requires any accommodations for any of the College Board tests, that request needs to be made through me and needs to be done as soon as possible as well. And you can contact me if you have any questions about that process. Lastly, PBIS donations are always appreciated. We especially need small denomination gift cards, which help us recognize and reward positive student behavior. Thank you for being here tonight and for your continued support.
Hi, I'm Michelle Bell. Welcome. I'm the 10th grade administrator here at PAX. I'm also the testing coordinator for state exams, so you're going to get lots of emails from me about MCAPs. Students will take MCAPs this year in the following areas: Algebra 1, possibly Geometry and Algebra 2, Biology, Government, and English 10. The Biology and Government MCAP do count as 20% of your student's grade. I also help oversee the lunch here. A and B shifts we have, 30 minutes each. Please make sure you help your students make a schedule. You've probably noticed the bright orange posters all the way around the school. Your students also have an email, and the lunch schedule is also posted on our SMORE for you to help your student make a schedule. Also, don't forget to stay up to date. You can use Mr. Barone's weekly emails, social media, and the SMORE. We thank you for being a champion for your student. Go PAX, woohoo!
Good evening and welcome to Patuxent High School. I'm Mr. Forrest. I'm the 11th and 12th grade administrator and I have a host of other duties as assigned. I'm excited to work with you and your students to help them have a productive and successful school year. I think we're the best school in Calvert County, hands down. If you get an opportunity, please take a look at our back to school video. It kind of shows you how invested we are to you and your students and how well our team works here at Patuxent High School. Hope you guys have a great night. If you see me, say hello.
Good evening. I'm Keith Powell, the Patuxent Athletic Director, and welcome to Back to School Night. A couple of things I wanted to talk about. I want to thank everybody who's registered online already. And if you have not done that, please do so on the CCPS Athletics website. We have about 50% of our athletes have done that, so we appreciate that. A couple of other things. We have a new Patuxent Athletics website called paxstrong.com. If you go on there, you can see our schedules, our rosters. It's updated daily. You can have access to GoFan to buy tickets, access to the NFHS network. If you're not going to be able to make it to a game, you can watch that. We also offer season passes for adults and students on GoFan, so go check that out if you plan to attend many games. And we will see you this fall in the gym and out on the field. Have a great night.